Hi guys, welcome back to Flora Fun and Food. My name's Carlin. I'm Lauren's mom. She has had shoulder surgery, so you get me today. Today we're going to be making a recipe from the Meal Lime app called Cheesy French Onion Chicken. So we're going to pat the chicken thighs dry and salt and pepper them first. I like to open these up a little bit on these thighs because they're kind of all folded up. Otherwise, if you don't open them up, then you don't get everything seasoned. We're making a double batch today, and it calls for 2 pounds of chicken thighs. So we've got about 4 or 5 here. Don't want to use my chickeny hands. Okay, got it all seasoned. Okay, we're going to add a couple tablespoons of butter to the skillet, and we are going to pan fry these for 3 to 4 minutes aside. Okay, we're going to thinly slice mushrooms and onions and have those ready. Okay, this recipe calls for 2 onions, but since we're doubling it, we're going to do 4 onions. Okay, I'm going to start getting the chicken started, 3 or 4 minutes aside. Alright, since we've got a lot of chicken to do, we're going to do a second pan. Alright, back to slicing onions.
Right now, Mom's just checking to see if the chicken is cooked all the way through, which should be about 165 degrees Fahrenheit.
Okay, now we're going to add the onions to the butter and let them cook until they're tender. Okay, now we're going to add the sliced mushrooms.
We're adding 1 cup of water with a tablespoon of chicken bouillon because it called for chicken stock, but I don't have any.
Okay, we're going to add some thyme, some fresh thyme that we're going to pull off the stems. About a couple tablespoons of parsley since we don't have fresh parsley. Then we're going to add a big old dollop of garlic. And then we're going to add some Worcestershire sauce, and we like a lot, so we're going to add several swigs here. We're going to bring this to a boil now and let it cook for 4 or 5 minutes and get those mushrooms nice and soft. And now we're just going to nestle the chicken into this mixture and then top it with some cheese and broil it for a bit until the cheese melts. Okay, now we're going to top it with some mozzarella and Parmesan. Sprinkle a little parsley on it and broil it until the cheese is melted. We're just going to put a little Parmesan on top. Not much since we put so much mozzarella. And then a little bit of parsley. And now it'll go in the broiler for just a couple minutes.
Alrighty. We also baked some broccoli with this because we thought that sounded really good. And here comes the delicious French onion chicken. It is one of my favorite recipes from this app that I've found so far. Thank you so much to my mom for coming over and helping me while I am recovering from shoulder surgery. So here's the final result. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and head over to my channel to subscribe for more content like this. And we hope to see you guys again very soon. Thanks guys. Bye.